existence of this right, of the right to freedom of expression, enables people in any society to exercise and enjoy all other rights. Conversely, where you don't have a right to freedom of expression, it's difficult for people to exercise and enjoy other rights. But just to break down the right to freedom of expression, because it has different components, I think if you read our Constitution, you will find it very clearly stated. So it includes the right to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas. So if you don't have the right to seek information, if you don't have the right to receive information, if you don't have the right to impart information and ideas, you can imagine how difficult it will be for you to exercise other rights, because you won't be able to even get information about those other rights. You won't be able to assert your rights to these other rights because you don't have freedom of expression. So the UN Human Rights Committee have described freedom of expression as, and I quote, a necessary condition for the realization of the principles of transparency and accountability that are in turn essential for the promotion and protection of human rights. So it's essentially the same theory that you need freedom of expression as a necessary condition, as a precondition for you to have transparency and accountability in any society, which in turn is essential for us to be able to promote and protect other human rights.